Hey everyone, Anthony Sion here, Green Tech Talk. Okay, let's jump into it. Three environmental new products that you need to know about Apple. Number one, the Apple Watch Ultra, which was introduced on September 7th, 2022. The good news about this particular Apple Watch is 100% recycled gold in the plating of multiple printed circuit boards. A first for the Apple Watch, not to mention 100% recycled rare earth elements in all the magnets. So basically, it's made with better materials. So this watch actually tackles climate change. Definitely 100%. Of course, Apple is committed to transitioning their entire manufacturing supply chain to 100% renewable electricity by 2030. The watch is also energy efficient, which is always a plus when it comes to energy conservation. And when they package the Apple Watch Ultra, it's definitely responsible packaging. It's 100% of wood fiber, comes from recycled and responsible sources, and 98% of the packaging is fiber based due to their work to use less plastic in the packaging. And the good thing is, like all Apple products, you could also now trade it in. So that's a plus in the environment, um, because you don't want to throw that in the garbage or be wasteful like that. Just return it to Apple. It's the best way because now that you could return your device through the Apple trade in, Apple will either give it a new life or recycle it for free. Product is also smarter in chemistry. Brominated flame retardant free. PVC free. Arsenic free display glass. Mercury free. Also is beryllium free. And it also compiles with European REACH regulation on nickel. The second product online would be the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The phone was introduced on September 7th, 2022. This phone is 100% recycled gold in the wire of all cameras and in the plating of multiple printed circuit boards. And again, it's 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets. So it's made with better materials. The energy efficiency is 46%, less energy consumed in the U.S. Department of Energy requirements for battery charger systems. Same responsible packaging as mentioned prior with the Apple Watch. Of course, it's tackling the 100% climate change because the company is 100% committed to, again, transitioning their entire manufacturing supply chain to 100% renewable electricity by 2030. This particular phone has the same smarter chemistry as the Apple Watch Ultra. And the third product I would say would be the Mac Studio, which was introduced on March 18th, 2022. The Mac Studio, it's 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets, but it's 80% recycled aluminum enclosure. And energy efficiency is 45% less energy consumed than the Energy Star energy efficiency requirement. But it does, like I said, tackle climate change 100%. Now, the responsible packaging, even though it's 100% of the wood fiber that comes from the recycled and responsible sources, it's only 96% of the packaging is fiber based due to their work to use less plastic in its packaging. And it also uses smarter chemistry. we talked about this. It's basically the same, except just minus the arsenic-free glass. Of course, there's no glass in the Mac Studio. So there you have it. 3 environmental products that you need to know about Apple. As you know, today Apple is carbon neutral for global corporate operations, and by 2030 plans to be 100% carbon neutral across its entire manufacturing supply chain and all product life cycles. What does that mean? Well, that means that every Apple device sold, from component manufacturing, assembly, transport, customer use, charging, all the way through recycling and material recovery, will have net zero climate impact. Look at the description below, and I'm going to leave you a link so you could view the 2022 Environmental Progress Report for all of Apple products. And check out the end screen at the end of this video so you could check out the Apple announcement of the environmental products and promotes sustainable practices during their announcement on September 7th of 2022 event. Do me a favor, in the comments below, I would love to know, what exactly are you doing with your Apple products or any smartphone? Love to know if you're recycling it or just throwing it in a big box in your closet or down in the garage. Just love to know, okay? So anyway, until next time, God bless.